Hello friends, I'm back with new ideas, new videos and innovative ideas on machine learning. Today's video is all about support vector machine. It is an effective machine learning technique that really deals with complex data set. Let us see in brief about support vector machine. Support vector machine. It is an effective machine learning technique that can deal with really complex data set, including face recognition data set, which is very important in today's era. Due to its ability to extract intrinsic properties, that means it requires large number of variables of higher dimension data set. It is widely used in many applications such as computer vision, all of you know CV library, biometrics and speech recognition. SVM has been shown to be the superior to the other technique in terms of accuracy and robustness. SVM works well with small data set. It is also able to handle complex pattern and noisy data. This makes it suitable for real-time applications such as facial recognition in security system or in image databases. It is also able to easily adjust parameters, making it high versatile for a range of applications. Face recognition systems are built using deep learning algorithm like convolutional neural network. We have seen a lot of videos on CNN. Next part, face dataset. Skyllearning provides inbuilt face recognition dataset, including the popular one labeled face in the wild dataset. The dataset consists of around 14,000 labeled images. In today's program, I will run 2 to 3 times with lot of dataset are there in this. Images which each having a labeled associated with it. These images are of human faces and they have been manually annotated by researchers from around the world. Now I will go through the program. Yes, these are the required libraries module needed for the program. This is the data set from which different face we are going to extract, and this all about the code. Now I will execute the program. Yes, yes, now it is face of Swinjob. Yes, predicted and expected. Now again I will run the program. Now again different face will be there. Ronaldo, all of you know, which is football champion. Then I will take another. Yes, Messi. Now, yes, Sundar, all of you know Google. So I have successfully done with introduction to support vector machine using Python. I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I will be back with more videos on machine learning, AngularJS, Node.js, Python. Thank you.